Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to set up a VPN on your Amazon Fire TV. This is a great way to protect your privacy, access geo-restricted content, and improve your streaming experience. It might seem a little complicated at first, but trust us, it's actually quite straightforward once you know the steps. First things first, you'll need to choose a VPN provider that's compatible with Fire TV. Not all VPNs work well, so do a little research and pick one that has a dedicated app for Fire TV, or at least supports manual configuration. Some popular options include ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark. Once you've made your choice, sign up for an account with your chosen provider. Next, turn on your Amazon Fire TV device and navigate to the search function, usually represented by a magnifying glass icon on the home screen. Type in the name of the VPN provider you selected. Hopefully, their app will appear in the search results. If it does, great. Select the app and click Download or Get. Wait for the download and installation to complete. Once the app is installed, go ahead and open it. You'll likely be prompted to enter your login credentials, the username and password you created when you signed up for your VPN account. Enter those details carefully and log in. Now, within the VPN app, you'll usually see a big Connect button or a list of server locations. If you want to connect to the fastest available server, simply click the Connect button. Alternatively, if you want to access content from a specific country, browse the list of server locations and choose one accordingly. Select your desired server location and then click Connect. The VPN app will then establish a secure connection. You might see a message indicating that the connection is in progress, and once it's successful, you'll usually see a notification confirming that you're connected to the VPN. At this point, all your internet traffic on your Fire TV will be routed through the VPN server, enhancing your privacy and security. Finally, to confirm that your VPN is indeed working, you can do a quick IP address check. Open a web browser on your Fire TV. You might need to download one if you don't already have one, and search for "What is my IP address" on Google. The IP address shown should be different from your actual IP address and should correspond to the location of the VPN server you connected to. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully set up a VPN on your Amazon Fire TV. To disconnect from the VPN, simply open the VPN app again and click the Disconnect button. And that's all there is to it. Remember to connect to your VPN whenever you're streaming content or using apps on your Fire TV, especially if you're concerned about privacy or accessing geo-restricted material. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.